Alright, I can't wait, so let's just get started. Um, yeah, so this is what we're going to use so far. The only thing I ain't got is some ESCs. We'll see what I can dig up. I don't think I have a set of 4 of anything at this moment. But we still got a lot to do. Let's go with it. Right? First we're going to crank up my soldering gun. Let's see if I can get a bigger wide view. Is that good? Probably too wide already. Alright. Yeah, so other than the edges being a little sharp, especially on the bottom edge, well, the top or whatever they set down, a good once over with some sandpaper and some soapy water and it should be nice. Yeah, so let's do it. Clean off my tip, get the thick stuff, thick solder. Look, I got the XT60 plugged in backwards. Hopefully I would have caught that. But we don't need that for now. Again, I like to lay stuff on it so it don't go running away on me. Get this side really good. Did you see me put the smoke in those motors? This should be better than the last video. You'll get to see a little better, I think. A little more in focus. Where I say, cover the whole pad. Right? I don't need these. Two or these two. So we'll just hop to the other side. We're still clean. One, two. 3, 4. Alright, those are the ESCs. Now let's do the XT60. I like to plug a female in to dissipate the heat a little bit. Male, female, whatever it is. Alright, I'm going to change the tip from the thick one, thin one. This is a little warm. Really quick. And then turn it on. And we'll tin up these other little ones and I'll throw on the V-bat wire. And then we'll get it in there and see how she looks. What do we got in here? A Lux. How about that? There's the Lux. I just gave up on it and threw a moto in and talk about smooth stability. I'm sure this is smooth. I think it's just, I don't know what it is. I O-ringed and O-ringed, but let's not go there. We're having fun. Next is to grab my soldering iron and tin up these pads. I got the smaller solder out again. Hopefully you can see. We're gonna do the ground here. Oops, I don't want pavement like that. stuff up here. Let's get rid of some of this. Right? We're going to use these 4 washers to keep it up off the floor. Right? And then we're going to use these longer nylon screws to fit all the way through. So let's rip the top plate off again, even though I went and got the screws I needed already, so you don't have to remind me. Pardon my hands. These actually are a pretty good length. They give plenty of bite. Those 8mm ones were too short. I want to see these are 10 or 12. 10. And this thing in the back, let's see what that's all about. No one's did a build yet. It's got a lot of holes in there for zip ties and such. Alright, let's get rid of all of that. Alright. I'm a lefty or righty. When I plug my battery in, I want it to be on this side. But you know what? Everybody else is right-handed, so they want it on this side. So let's see if these screws are even long enough, or I gotta get some real monsters. That, and that. Nope, it looks like I got enough purchase. So let's go with it. We're gonna go with the blank ones for the second layer to start with. Something like that. I can always make them shorter. Alright. We could really lower this. This would make a really tight build. Alright, so this is where we're at. Let's grab a motor. Even though we don't have any ESCs, we can mount the motors. And we can mount the motors and cut the leads length and tin them. Alright, Cat, just grab the razor. Okay. We'll leave a little extra here, huh? Again, this could be long. The ESCs, you want to move them up tight here. Less weight to the outside, right? Center balance ship. So I'm going to do it to there. That's going to be it. My call. My call is this. Let me see. It's just a ½ inch longer than my standard cut. Let's make it a ¼ inch and call it a day. That's it. Beauty, right? Let's do it. One down. Sorry. These I don't think are going to reach through this 4mm carbon. No, see, that's not long enough. I need a little longer screw. Let's see. And that's what Master Shen gives in his packages. The Master Shen drone. But let's see, they're too short. They're too short. We're gonna go with the black ones. Alright. So I need 16. Let's check them first. Alright. 16. Ooh, that's too long, maybe. Ah, light. It is just a hair too long. And I think these are just a hair too short. Let's see how many threads this gets before. Ooh, I'm with this. We're going with these. 16. So here it is. Let's see if we can get them in. Like I said, I'm going to Loctite them later. But let's check it out. I'm going to loosen this one up. Let's go to a little wider angle. How's that? And move this away. Alright, where was I? Did I loosen that one? No, not yet. We're going to loosen this up. The screws are going in nice. No issues. It looks like it's got set up for 1806s if you wanted to put them on. So be it. And anything bigger than that